While understanding the number line, we have seen that as we move towards the right, the values of the numbers increase. And as we move to the left, the values of the numbers decrease. What can we understand from this? It tells us about the order in which the integers are placed on the number line. Observe carefully. From any point on a number line, if we move towards the right, then we can see that the numbers are in ascending order. And as we move to the left from any given point, the numbers are in descending order. Let us understand this with an illustration. Consider the number 4 on a number line. And now consider the number 7. We know that number 7 is greater than the number 4. Which sign do we use in mathematics to represent greater than? It's this one. Therefore, we can write it like this. So if we want to compare any two integers on the number line, the integer to the right will always be greater than the integer to its left. Understand it well. 7 lies to the right of 4 on a number line and it's greater than 4. Now what does this sign represent? It means less than. If we take any integer which lies to the left of an integer, we know that it will always be lesser. For instance, 2 lies to the left of the integer 5. Hence we say 2 is less than 5. It means to compare the two integers, we can use the number line. How can we do that? It's simple. We can check which integer lies to the right or left on the number line relative to the other integer. If it's on the right, then it's greater, and if it's on the left, then it's smaller. Let us see how it works. We will compare the following two integers using the correct sign. To compare them, we will use the number line. Here's the number 6. We can clearly see that 6 is to the right of the number -5. Therefore, -5 is less than 6. We will write it like this. So it was easy to compare a positive integer with a negative integer. And it was also easy to compare two positive integers. Now let's try to compare two negative integers. Here they are. Can you tell me which one is smaller amongst the two? Let us see them on the number line. We can clearly see that -2 lies to the right of -4 on the number line. That means -2 is greater than -4. Yes, that's true. Likewise, can you compare -3 with -6? Which one is lesser in value? That's correct. -6 is less than -3. Understand this well. The order of integers is such that the one on the right is always greater than the one on its left, and the one on the left is always smaller than the one on its right.